Gift certificate.
Okay, so I'll just move it around like this. Right now it's pointing on Chisa.
Keep it a box.
There was a camera in that box.
Yeah, I know.
Where is Ginger?
She's in there.
Where? Oh, because I said I'll have to go find Ginger.
Can you shout out to me for one?
Nope.
Oh, this is good for work.
So you don't have to take my cup. I'm always looking for my cup.
Yeah, this is good. I always say I need to get one, but I never do. I think I never did. What? So I guess?
Yeah, yeah, Mary.
Yeah, look over there.
Yeah, I thought she had earrings. Like
I thought they were earrings.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Boy, that's intimidating looking with that scope on it. Please, what the heck are you doing?
This is strange. They're like rapid fire into it.
Oh, this is cute.
Wait a minute, what
I like that.
I like that. That's good. We're putting it over there.
Yeah, and it goes nice with the carrot. It goes nice with that necklace.
Yeah. This is real cute.
It's all blurry now.
Yeah, with tank or something. You wear like the camera.
Like her.
Camera's blurry.
I got a tank wear.
No, I do have one. But I don't know, is it short?
Yeah, it's supposed to be belly.
That is cute. I like that.
That's nice because I didn't get to see it. I just went over.
You see me yesterday trying to walk the door and maybe Look at that. What are those things?
But they have some good sales though, man.
Huh? Right, Shadow? He just takes up his position.
Oh, do that. I like the way it was just laying there.
What's that from?
Come on, man.
You like that?
This one comes with Timmy.
Now the size though, but it looks big.
Yeah, that's just it.
Yeah, the fireplace on.
That's cute.
What are you trying to do?
Rock. Like with this, the shelf
I've never even been
Whose
in
cup is
there.
that?
Mine, so I'm 6 years anymore.
I thought it was
Not only that, when I got my car back, it soda filled in it and you never even cleaned it up. The rat, yeah. It was all soda. Anyway, when you got your car.
Now let him get out of debt. Let him get out of debt.
I'm going to trade that for a
Don't
used
get in
Volvo.
debt again.
That's 40.
So easy to go back into.
I closed everything. I know. I've done it before and I got down to 0 bounds and I just did it again.
What's that, right?
What's that? You like that too? It's kind of tough. I'm like, yeah, I would like it.
I like that kind of shirt.
Yeah, that looks like it. I think so.
What's that from?
Brian, right? Without a tag.
Well, the rat is better than mine. Maybe Isn't it a shame, Brian? Look, just put up.
Yeah,
I think you might already have this.
And because no express, you didn't charge us, so we got to pay for it, did you?
No, I don't.
Let me see.
No, I don't.
I was thinking the top too. So.
That's cute.
No, I'll get the top though. Yeah, I like
What is it?
I just put it there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Good, come around.
honey.
You wear that with a t-shirt though.
That's
Yeah.
all right, bro. You'll get it. Yeah, you graduate in a year and a half. You're going to start making big money, right?
Now
Yeah? FBI
fashion,
agent?
fashion, oh, they have a lot of, like,
FBI.
that's a big
Forget it.
express.
Yeah, they have.
FBI. Just station.
You got for Monday?
What's that clumping over there?
My camera's back. See the little lady?
Yeah, you can wear
Is it? Okay.
it. Carol will do it.
Yeah, I need something like that.
Yeah, I'm sure just like every day or
It's
light,
as cold as it gets here. That's basically how
but
you
warm.
Yeah, it feels warm.
Oh, look at him.
Thank you very much.
Oh! Yeah, a little further than it's supposed to be.
Alright, I'm done.
Who's next?
I used to go around and stuff.
Alright, let me readjust. Your next gun?
I guess, going in the circle.
Who is that from?
From you.
This is the best way because you know this one shake.
Who's that from?
Danny.
What is it anyway?
I like it, Lee. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you.
I like it.
I don't care, just take it back.
I don't know. It's fine. I like it. And it's a different color.
You can't say time to go out somewhere.
Where do we go to get dressed up?
We're going to start. No, we settled in here, now we're going to start traveling.
Okay, from Canada.
You know where we're going to be going? I told her we're going to go into like a spa, stay there for a week as a vacation.
She didn't like that though. You don't have to get massages and stuff like that though.
A health place.
And it's Harry Potter too?
Oh, mine is for both of you guys.
Or this one, right? Thank you. From you. I know. We're up so early this year.
Oh, that's nice.
Put it on there. Take it back.
Or the pink.
Yeah, it has a pink.
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
You want a cookie?
Yeah, you-
Shadow.
This one-
Yeah.
That's the first time we really burned this one.
Count. Count.
Got a bit of bottle of water.
Is this the one that I said I like this one?
big old bathtub. Oh man, that would be in a big old bubble bath in that tub.
I never have.
Nobody permits you to do something.
There's a TV up in the corner.
That's my plan. I'm putting a little TV up in the corner.
Yeah.
We went to.
I'm gonna mount it on the wall.
We went to one house and they had one of those bathtubs and it had
As a matter of fact, the
built-in
TV,
TVs right on the bath.
the
That was
TV,
done here.
the TV that's in Kara's room now, that one. I swear that's gone. I'm gonna mount it in the corner. Let's put it right up there. Yeah, but the TV that's in your room that's gonna be mounted in the bathroom.
Why? What's the special one in their room? Is it the same size as yours?
No, that's her TV. Bigger.
Bigger?
The one from the basement is gonna be mine. Short. And you don't have to adjust the shorts. See, we can get in the wrong length for it.
Red though.
Not red. It's hot thing. Come on. You gotta brighten up yourself.
Yeah, that is cute.
You gotta brighten yourself up a little bit. And you're gonna wear it too. This one, even if you take it back, you're gonna get the same color. That's right. This is Vegas. You gotta brighten yourself up a little bit.
Yes.
You're ready to go. Well, I have nothing to wear.
Oh, true.
What do I wear? And it's short. It's short, so that you don't have to taper it.
Yeah, because the only other beige ones I had were capris, and now I have now I'll be decked out. Now you gotta take me places.
There's so many places to go, man.
Yeah, but you know, we just sit in because of this food here. We're trying to wait for her to grow up and get out.
She's 16 years old. You used to leave me with them.
Yeah, but it was down from the.
It has black in it too.
Black, I have black.
And they're short also, so they're stretched. Both of them stretched there.
I need to
Same,
stand up.
same thing.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, never mind.
Nice.
All right, let me refocus.
Yeah, you're up.
No, you're up. You're up. I'm back. You know me, I gotta fit on my stuff.
He's not
Hold
gonna.
that one Mom, on top, because that's where you're in there.
Right?
That one is too.
You're next.
There you go, Brian.
Oh, Bryce on it?
I
Yeah,
have all the receipts though. If anyone need to return anything.
Yeah, I have all mine too. See, my daughter is getting mature. She even have the receipts just in case. Oh, oh. She's gonna be 16.
I want a digital camera now.
I want it for
I
Christmas.
know. I said your birthday's coming up. Can you get it?
I don't use it that much.
I use my camera all the time. It'd just be nice if I could just download them on the computer and
You get paper.
Who's that from?
and print them out, yeah. And you can send them to other people instead of mailing them.
It's a nice gift for us too.
You know,
And it's easier to take out. Like I can't take it with
the problem with this video thing here, nobody, I mean, you,
Well, now they have those little
how you
ones.
put them away somewhere.
Yeah, but you keep it for like some days you sit down and you want to watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 years from now, you want to go and regret wishing you were.
It's good to show other people, like, you
You
know.
like that one?
Yeah, damn. Thank you. You're sick or something.
I noticed.
Yeah, you what?
There's your CD.
Sick or yeah, this is nice, thank you.
Because I didn't know if you liked the kind with all those writing on it.
I'm gonna pick myself up. Hey, that's yeah, here.
She wouldn't even tell me what she got you.
You don't like it? Shopping? For the thing?
You did the wrong shot?
But I thought it would smell good.
Oh, yeah.
Need some,
She's saying you smell that.
Like,
Well, my friend in New Jersey wore it and it smelled good.
What, fruit?
I need some.
No, guys.
you guy.
What is it called?
Good life? Smell it.
Let me smell it.
Wow.
That smells real good. Thank you.
It's nice and light.
Those are J's.
Like some light. I like that.
It is.
It
It's
is.
not like all
It is.
strong.
You use Jason's?
No, it smells like, remember high karate?
My father used to have
It smells like,
high karate.
smells good.
Thank you.
So no, you don't have to use
It
Jason's.
smells like blue tea.
Yeah. Oh, that came in. That's yours. No, that's probably good.
Sounds like it's good moment.
No, then you get a discount.
That's not
You're
good.
like, what is that?
That's carrot, right?
No, I'm down.
Mine is like,
Was I telling you that or something?
you got like
Thank you.
I know, I can tell.
Yeah.
Because Moda, and Moda always is
My apartment. Disgusting. So I have to walk around with my shoes on. Especially when it snows, because before it's all wet.
That one has a rough, bad rubber control. Like
You better have people take their shoes off outside.
don't take your shoes off at outside.
Yeah, the
Well,
door.
you
You
still
put
put
your
on
face
those little
out there.
plastic things.
Let's try that. I mean, it works better than nothing, but.
You got something at the door, right?
I think so.
You think so?
Man, I'm buying them. Drawing where you got name. No, that's what she's saying.
I'm trying to get too much. We gotta bring it all.
Oh, that's something you buy there. Walmart.
She makes bars, too.
This from you guys?
The next Christmas, Dan Brown won't be home back.
That's cute.
Next
Yeah,
Christmas, you gotta
you
go
couldn't
back
even
one
get
day.
back.
Bigger size, you think?
That's large.
The shirt is medium.
Who's got a medium shirt?
I like those jeans, man. They look nice.
What, those jeans, what?
Yeah.
Are they too small?
No, I don't think so.
Try them on. See, I couldn't tell, and
I'm not so sure. No, this should be big enough.
No, that's big enough. It's a large.
it's medium, but it's
It's
big.
a big medium.
But hold it up. It looks.
Oh, you don't like the sleeves?
No, I mean, I don't know if it'll fit.
No, that's too.
See, like a little shoe.
No, it won't be.
That's cute though. That's it.
See, one, two.
Maybe some things you can wear.
Yeah, but you want to see Jason and one of his roommates.
Huh? I got another one there.
You buying what? Somebody else?
Mine
Look.
goes
Gosh, you guys are sticking roommates all the time. It's reversible.
It is. Who bought that? You?
No.
We did.
Yeah.
This is reversible?
Oh,
Yeah, see the tag? It says reversible.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
You don't.
Where we live.
Yeah.
But you can wear it in the springtime.
clothes. All my clothes are like, not dress shirts, but.
Yeah,
like a
I like
shirt or
this,
something
but
like that.
I don't care if you like it. It's not like
Those collar shirts I have, I'm not shirts like that. Very hard to wear. What?
Remember when you used to sound like a girl?
Like that other Christmas day that we had back in the day.
Kevin, man, Kevin. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
You got a heavy voice. I think he's making himself do that. That was my choice.
Yeah, that looks like him.
It's like a thermal type of dress shirt. You got a lot of stuff, boy.
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Yeah, the pants.
But it's like if it doesn't fit, you just change it.
I know.
Don't worry about it, people. Right? It's easier to shop that way. Just get what you like.
Sometimes they're not there.
Yeah, but then you look at something else. Something that you like. I don't find it over what I do. You know, who's that from that? What?
I know. She's like bugging in the mall. I'm like, Kurt, didn't you already get that for somebody? I'm like, dang.
And you know, I don't know where she got this money. She must
She
have
was
not
saving
eaten
it.
lunch.
You're not gambling or nothing?
That's what I was thinking, John.
Gambling?
Turn $10 and all.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but no, $10.
Good. You turn $10 into zero.
This is right tight. Ooh, I'm serious.
Yeah, we need to watch that. 'cause-
Yeah, we need to watch it. We didn't watch it.
The other night you said, ooh, I gotta
So we
go.
can watch it today, right?
And Harry Potter.
No. I'm
You didn't see any of the Harry Potter. Go next to characters when you go on.
Think you will?
No, I'll go next because next thing you know, you go, then you're gone. After you do yours, then you're gone.
I think I saw this. Is this the store or something? Anchor Book?
Yeah. Isn't it nice? And their stuff is it's not real expensive, right? They have some good sales.
Yeah, I was looking there.
They have some nice stuff in there.
What is it?
Anchor Blue. They don't have it in Jersey. They say they have it all in California.
Oh, I love it all.
I love those. Do you have those in there?
I have a pair. You know, I had a black pair and I gave it away because you never wanted it. It was kind of thick.
They
These
have girl
are
stuff, too.
lighter.
Yeah.
Now you wear them, Laura.
People shot. See,
Oh, corduroys? You don't wear corduroys?
I never have.
Oh,
No, I've seen you in one. You don't know what it is. You had a brown one on. I don't know if you borrowed it from somebody. It was corduroy.
that looks like
I'll
you,
try it, 'cause I
though.
only have blue jeans.
That's what I'm saying. You wear blue jeans all the time. You look like you got on the same clothes.
Thank you.
And yeah, that'd be nice. You go out sometimes.
I could have sworn you had corduroys before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You probably
He has
you
green
borrowed it
ones.
from. It was a brown
Yeah, I probably
corduroy.
had a smaller.
It was like Nina's
smaller
bag.
cord.
It was brown. It was a brown corduroy.
No, I was only corduroys.
Yes, there was.
Better wear those. They're mine.
But if you're not, let her take it
Oh,
back.
yeah, you can take it back if you don't like it.
No, I'll try them. Just because I want
I love them, though. They are
more
so
of
nice.
pants.
You want to look
Those are
different,
nice
right?
and warm.
You want to look different?
Well, I have like.
That's why I said to you in this story, he's wearing.
blue jeans.
That's why I said in this story, he's wearing all these blue. You look like you're wearing the same clothes.
Yeah, I think that changed it.
You gotta change it up.
Thank you.
All right, I'll go over there, but Brian, focus that camera so you see the man.
It's gotta be in the.
Wait, let me take a picture. Like that.
Yes.
Is that the camera, everybody? And you never do what you're supposed to do with it?
I did. I did, yeah. I never even got my stuff.
Did you complete the course?
You never got your what?
My portfolio on my TV unit. So
My aunt?
I never did.
Mm-hmm.
Who's it
I
from?
mean, it wasn't like fun. It wasn't, yeah.
Okay, this
You
is
even
Dad
fix them up.
from
Frame them and blow them up.
It was
Tara.
like stupid stuff though. If I kept going on in the course, it would have been nice.
That's what it says.
I like the pictures that you have in your room, Brian. I like them like that.
Yeah.
What?
Like you blow them up and they look real nice.
Yeah.
Wasn't that digital camera? On a digital camera you took that?
Digital.
And how'd you blow it up like that?
You can send them in the Kodak, and they blow them up and send them.
Even at the, at Walgreens and all, they have this machine where you can blow them up,
Okay, this is from Kara.
visualize them.
You paid for these, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheapest machine. See?
Okay. Yep, these are nice. And what size is it? Extra large, okay. But sometimes you get me in double X large. Like this shirt you sent me, Rugged Dad.
It's too XL?
Well, I could wear it maybe in like 20 years from now when I...
Well, I figured when you
When I
wash
stop
it, it's cotton.
exercising.
It's gonna shrink. Did you wash it?
I never did that.
Well, I wear my shirt.
And I like the stripes going across too. A little broader chest. You pick this one, Karen? It's X large. Yeah. Well, I want X large. Yep, that's exactly
You
what I want.
needed some casual shirts, right?
Yeah. I mean, I have a gray up there, but it's more... No, I have another gray like this, but it's dressy, so I can wear this casual. Yeah, I need casual shirts. Like when we're going downtown, maybe. Yeah, because here people don't really dress up. I mean, my suits, the last time I wore a suit was in
I know, they really don't.
I'll never wear it.
The only ones that really dress up are the tourists. That's for you and Mom.
It's for who? Why she gotta get some? It's my turn. She had her turn already.
Well, I'm opening it.
Ah, I know. You guys gave it to the box, right?
What?
Gave it to the box.
What's that?
I'm the man. It's for me and Connie. I'm the man. I'm large and in charge. Hold on. As you can see, we just crossed over into Arizona. From Nevada to Arizona, and we walk. It is. Take my word for it. Honey, look at this.